Hi everyone, this is Jim and Crystal with Anaheim Park Tourist, and welcome to our 2024 guide on how to ride ART or Anaheim Resort Transportation System. We will walk you through purchasing a ticket, understanding how the different routes work, and how to effectively plan your trip when you're going to and from the Disneyland Resort. You will need the app Away We Go to ride ART. We encourage you to download it and you can follow along. Feel free to skip around in the chapters below and go to the section that you need help with. First off, hours of operation. ART's schedule aligns with Disneyland's operating hours. Buses start running 90 minutes before park opening, and they continue to run 30 minutes after park closure. Remember to check with your driver or the Away We Go app for the last bus departure time if you plan on staying till closing.
Purchasing tickets. To purchase a ticket, download the Away We Go app and navigate to the Passes section. Select Buy Passes and then choose Art Bus and your rider type, adult, reduced fare, or child. Please note that if you are using the reduced fare ticket, you will need to show proof in the form of an ID.
And finally, fare type, where you choose how many days you need a ticket for.
Children under the age of 3 are free. Physical tickets can also be purchased with cash at the bus tickets and information window at the Arctic station. Once you have selected your options, select Add to Order. If you are buying multiple adult tickets, you can adjust the quantity on this screen. If everyone in your party is covered by an adult ticket, confirm the length of your ticket and the quantity, and then check out. If you need to add a children's or reduced fare ticket, repeat the process, then check out. Activating tickets. After purchasing, go to the Passes section in the app and tap on the pass you want to activate. Press the Activate Pass button and confirm to activate. The pass will display a scannable barcode and a countdown timer indicating its expiration once activated. Don't activate your pass until you are ready to ride.
Understanding ART routes. ART routes can be a little confusing, so follow along. ART routes have been updated since our last video on how to ride ART. To view all of the available routes, open the Away We Go app and select Routes at the bottom. There are different types of routes with varying operating hours. Some run from 90 minutes before park opening until 10 a.m., then resume in the evening. When you select a route, you'll see its specific hours of operation, frequency of buses, and corresponding bus stop number at the Disneyland Transportation Center. For example, routes such as Garden Grove number 3, Harbor number 4, Grand Plaza number 5, Disney Way number 6, Clementine number 7, Hotel Circle number 8, Catella number 9, Ball Road number 11, and Manchester number 12 have specific operating hours. For example, the Harbor Line operates from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then 6:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. the next day. Buses arrive approximately every 15 minutes at stop number 4 at the Disneyland Transportation Center. To look at a different line, we will look at Garden Grove line, which is number 3. The screen layout is slightly different from the other lines at the time of filming. However, the overall functionality is still the same. This screen provides detailed information such as bus stops, hours of operation, and approximate arrival time.
Combination routes. Another type of route is the combination route, which combines 2 to 3 main routes mentioned earlier. You will need to be familiar with the combo routes if you plan to return to your hotel midday. For example, if you arrived at Disneyland in the morning on the Disney Way number 6 line or the Manchester number 12 line, you would take the combo 612 line, click on the combo route to see its hours of operation. During filming, the combo route operated from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. with arrival and departure from bus stop number 12 at the Disneyland Transportation Center. It's important to check the operating hours of each route. The combo route for lines 3, 4, and 5 operates from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. at the time of filming.
On-demand service. The final service offered is on-demand, which is similar to the concept of an Uber or Lyft, but with slower service. Our last experience using on-demand involved leaving the Arctic train station to our hotel, and ordering that bus took about 45 minutes. Once again, this is very slow. It's not comparable to an Uber or a Lyft. So it is best to use this service when you are planning on leaving at a specific time of the day, and you can pre-plan your trip. To access on-demand, open the Away We Go app, and towards the bottom, select On-Demand. Once we're on the next screen, go ahead and click on the search bar, and that will be the destination where you would like to go. Press that, and then you can either choose your destination on the map or select one of the pre-filled locations at the bottom. In this instance, I will choose Anaheim Boulevard southbound, Anaheim Way, which is the Viv Hotel in Anaheim. Once there, I then can select where my pickup location will be. Go ahead and hit the top box where it says current location, and I can choose once again on the map or a pre-filled destination. And in this example, I'll go ahead and select Walmart. And from here, you will see that you can schedule a pickup time. And at the next screen, you can select the Depart Now to choose a specific time of day and select Depart At. Choose the time, and it is best to schedule this in advance. So we'll say 4:30 p.m. Click Save. And then you need to obviously purchase an ART pass and select Request Ride. If you are finding this video useful, please hit that like button to help our video spread to others.
Trip or route planning. To plan your trip, open the Away We Go app and select Trip Planner. For example, let's plan a trip from Candlewood Suites, our last hotel stay. Click on the top box. This is the starting point, and then scroll until you find the stop with Candlewood Suites listed. That stop is Anaheim Boulevard southbound at Catella Avenue. You will see smaller writing below the stop name with the hotel names and the stop services. On the destination screen, type Disneyland and select Disneyland Park from the options. If you want to leave at a specific time, select the Depart Now button. From this screen, you can choose a different day and time. For instance, if you aim to arrive at Rope Drop tomorrow, adjust the departure time accordingly and click Save at the upper right. The app will show you the available lines and their details, including the line number, name, hours of operation, and the bus stop at the Disneyland Transportation Center, where you will board and depart the bus. If you were to leave Disneyland midday, you would need to take a combination line. To return from Disneyland to Candlewood Suites, if you're unsure of the bus stop to use, type Disneyland Park and select it as your pickup location. Press the destination box, then scroll until you find your hotel. In our example, once again, it's Candlewood Suites. And the stop is Anaheim Boulevard southbound at Catella. Once again, the small writing under the stop will tell you the hotel's the stop services. The app will present a list of routes servicing Candlewood Suites and their operating times. You'll see two different combination routes serving Candlewood midday with the designated bus stop at the Disneyland Transportation Center. After 6:30 p.m., the regular lines resume, and in this case, there are many different lines that service Candlewood Suites. If you want to see where the bus is currently located, click on the line and it will show you how full the bus is and where it is currently located. On this screen, you will see the next departure times and what bus stop the Disneyland Transportation Center to wait at.
We know riding ART can be very confusing, especially if this is your first time in the Disneyland Resort area. We encourage you to pre-plan your trip ahead of time while you're still at home to get more familiar with the app and the different routes that service your hotel. If you need any help riding ART or any help with your Disneyland trip, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can join our Disneyland trip planning group on Facebook, and there's a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.